Welcome to Ahara Arogya Adhyatma, the light of Samskara. Today we have Dr. Purnima Krishnamurthy. She is the director and chief consultant of Prajna Kutira, a unique Ayurvedic Panchakarma Rejuvenation Center, Abhijna International Academy of Ayurveda and Yoga at Mysore. She is also professor, head of the department and medical superintendent of Kaveri Ayurvedic College, and she has many research paper to her credit. More than anything, she is a wonderful human being and who wishes everyone to be as beautiful as her and have not only wonderful skin, also the good hair also. So today she's going to tell us about the Ayurvedic Sutra for having a good healthy hair. Please, Purnima.
Namaste, ma'am. Thanks for having me on your show. I would like to discuss about health care and hair care in general today. We all call our hair as the crowning glory because without
Yes.
having a good crop of hair on our scalp, we don't look that good, isn't it?
Yes.
And
Yes.
our hair health depends definitely on what we eat, how much we eat, and what goes into our stomach, because
Yes.
a very balanced nutritious diet is very important not only in healthcare, skincare, as well as health. We
Yes.
all come to this earth with a certain kind of hair. It could be some people could have a very thick, set of hair on their scalp. The follicles are thicker than others. Some might have very scanty hair. Some might have frontal thinning of hair. Some have very long hair. Some have curly hair. Some have very dry hair in which is dry in nature. Some have very silky, smooth silky hair. So each one of us boast of different kind of hair texture. But
Yeah.
what is important is how we take care of our hair.
Hair.
And there are certain stages in our lives wherein the hair goes in for damage, or sometimes sometimes hair fall and all that, with the hormonal changes, with polycystic ovaries, with pregnancy, with delivery,
And after
with
delivery, yeah.
after delivery, and sometimes with as an after effect of chemotherapy in certain
In
people
the
who are
cancer
chronic
patients, yeah.
cancer patients, or after or with anemia and hypothyroidism and such other disorders. There will be adverse effects of all these diseases on hair's health. So we'll have to attend to such
The
situations. And
main cause for the
yeah,
loss of hair.
yeah,
Yes.
and if that is treated, hair health can be improved. But we all have, a certain kind of hair which we need to take care of in general,
Mm.
isn't it?
Yes.
Because we
Yes.
have to both have a good
And
a scalp full
yes.
of hair, because that's what
Yes.
gives the
And that
frame
too
of the
without the
face.
dandruff, without any lice, without
Exactly.
anything. Very clean and
Exactly.
nice hair. Yeah.
Clean and nice hair. For that, we need to definitely work on it and apply
Yes.
oil regularly, like in our, age-old times. Our grandmothers and our mothers used to advise us to regularly apply warm oil on our scalp, give ourselves a good massage. Even
And
Ayurveda.
not only advisors, they used to practice. See, when we were kids,
Yeah.
my mother, very religiously, she used to apply massage it, and then give a head bath with the shigakai. And so, my thick, lush, long hair, everybody used to look at me only because of the hair those days. But then
Yeah.
when I got married, and the moment I used to have head bath and come, my husband used to start sneezing, coughing with all rashes and then itching his face. I couldn't go near him. And then he said the Gandhari used to close her eyes, whereas you are not able to leave the Shigakai. So I left the oil and I left the Shigakai, I left everything. But now I have
So
hardly
unfortunate.
anything left.
So unfortunate, man. But yeah, as you said, if we practice the age-old, traditional
Yeah, it's a
techniques of
good. It's
oiling
good.
the hair, yeah, oiling the hair regularly and giving a good massage, which improves circulation of the scalp, and then
Mm.
washing it with herbal ingredients like the soap nut powder and Rita Karanja, as we call it, the chujulupudi, as we call
I
in
know.
Kannada.
Yes.
If
Yes.
these are used to clean the hair, then the
Mm.
scalp's health as well as the hair health will be, can be maintained. But
Yes.
in today's day and age where people have a lot of inhibitions about applying oil regularly, they don't want to go
Yeah,
meet.
they think no, they want the hair to be flying and thing dry
Yeah.
rather than sticking to the head. Yeah, correct.
Exactly. So they and people, cry for, lack of time for hair care. They don't get time to oil their hair and nurture their hair roots. So in that scenario, the hair care is not being taken very seriously by, today's generation of people. So a regular oil massage to the scalp, warm oil, as I was telling you, we could talk about what to use, which oil, how to massage, what is good
Yeah,
for
in detail in the
hair
next
care,
episodes, we
what is
can have that
good
in
for
detail.
premature
Yeah.
graying and all that. We can talk about it in the coming episodes. But a
Mm.
regular oil massage on the scalp, followed by washing of it after about 2 or 3 hours with very tepid water, not hot
Mm.
water,
Mm.
is good for hair care. And also,
Mm.
if you're using shampoos, any shampoo that is available out of the shelf in any supermarket today does have detergents, whether it
Mm.
has the herbal tag or whatever.
I
Because
know, I
unless
know.
there is a detergent in it, it will not work. You cannot
Yeah,
work
you
up
will
a
not get the
lather with it.
lather and you cannot have the
Yeah.
cleanliness.
So
Yeah, you're
kindly, I
right.
would advise that the shampoo be diluted to some extent and then only applied to the scalp.
Oh,
And after
okay.
washing the scalp thoroughly, so that no residue of the shampoo is, seen there, then
Mm.
they'll have to dry their hair naturally.
Okay.
People should not resort to drying their
I
hair
know
with
in the
blow
olden days they
dryers.
used to tie a thin cloth and then allow it to dry. But now they
Yeah,
start the hair blower and then
yeah.
they have all sorts of the straightener and the
Yeah,
wrinkles and
tying
all the
of
things.
the tying of the cloth or a towel around the scalp had one more reason. This is to
Mm.
steam hair roots after the massage and the shower, to steam
Mm.
the hair roots so that they start breathing and the circulation in the scalp happens better.
Mm.
Now they put
I,
steamers around the scalp in beauty parlors to improve the circulation, whereas it's old wine in new bottle, as I can say. All
oh
old
yeah,
age-old methods being served today in different, with different technology. So people
technology.
should not resort to using blow dryers or curlers or straighteners and treat their hair artificially. If let to dry naturally, that's the best thing one can do to the scalp. So,
Okay.
and if they take a good balanced diet and eat well, hydrate themselves properly,
And that
eat
too with the
a
nice
diet which is,
micronutrients like the vitamins
yeah,
and A and all. That's
vitamin and
very
biotin
important. Yes.
basically, yeah, hair health can be ours. So that's about hair care. So these are general tips about how to take care of, our male,
Mm. Mm.
specifically for improving hair health and which oil to use and what can be used for, to treat premature
Which
graying.
type of hair? Yeah, yeah.
So social stigma today. People don't want to be seen with gray hair.
Mm.
Right. So, how to maintain that and how to use natural products to keep your hair colored so that the retina, the liver, or any other organ in the body does not get affected as a
Yes.
result of using artificial colors on the hair can all be discussed in the episodes to come, madam.
Yeah, yeah. Because the artificial colors, not only it is unnatural, they'll start losing the hair and it gets absorbed. And the ammonia is dangerous, and then it causes the cancer of the bladder also. And that's how
Exactly.
the artificial coloring is not all right. And you're telling the Upanyasa of Siddheshwar Swamiji.
Yes, yes, madam. Puja Sri Siddheshwara Swamiji, in one of his, lectures, was saying that humans want everything in white,
Very fair, yes.
especially white and bright from skin to
Especially
the
the wife.
beard.
Especially the wife has to be very fair.
Everything, they want everything white except their hair. And even if one hair follicle it turns gray, then they start plucking it. They get very anxious about it. And when they color their hair unnaturally with chemicals, also, he used to say, you can make out that you have colored your hair. So why unnecessarily color it and make it? What,
Even at the
Puja
age of
Swamiji was
90, they color the hair.
it is so unnatural, but it's okay. We have to age gracefully. Like I don't color my hair at all. I have started graying, and it looks very graceful. We have to
and
live
and
according
I
to
put
our age.
Nescafe powder, to get the brown hair.
Uh, I
No
will
dyeing.
share
Yeah.
some tips with our viewers in our next episodes, madam,
Okay.
about what to use and how much, and the ingredients and all that. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so
Yes,
much, Dr.
madam.
Purnima. It is such
Yes,
a pleasure talking to you because you describe it so nicely, so clearly, and your voice is so well modulated. I'm sure all our
thank you.
viewers are eagerly waiting for your next episode. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
Purnima. Thank you.
Namaste. Namaste.